Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the Photoshop's most powerful and versatile tools, the patch tools. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, mastering the patch tools can make your Photoshop editing skills to the next level. Alright, so let's jump right into the Photoshop. And I've got an image open here, and I'll be demonstrating various ways to use the patch tools for seamless editing. So first, let's locate the patch tools. It's right here in the toolbars, and also you can find some time in the group with the healing tools and the brushes in there. And you can find there's okay. So you can also access it by pressing the J on your keyboard. Okay. So here I activate the patch tools. Now that we have the patch tool selected, let's explore its functionalities. And I have this image, and with an unwanted object with the patch tools, I'll simply draw and selections around the object, like if I want to use this one and I want to take out this one and select it here. So once selected, drag and select selections to an object here you want to use, and replacement, you can use this one. Now you can see it replaced with this color. Okay, so release the mouse button and Photoshop seamlessly replace the selected area. So you can see the patch tools effectively removes unwanted elements from your image. Okay. Now let's refine our editing using the patch tools settings. So at the top menu, you can find the patch drop down menu in here, and you can find here the different options, like you can use the content error or in this one, or you can choose the structure from here. You can easily increase or decrease it, or you can use also the colors if you want to use. Okay. So let's select this one, and I'll just hold in and release it in here, and now you can see it's working, and it does not have this element what we and doesn't want to work here. Okay, so we have also the normal and also a content error. Normal error, okay, works well. Normal works well for the basics editing, and also while content error intelligently file or fills the selection based on the surroundings areas. Okay, so also see how it adapts to the image and surrounding for more natural looks. Okay, so the patch tools can handle more complex scenarios, such as the removing large object and also or retouching in imperfections or portraits. Like if I want to remove this one, the large object I want to remove with this colors. Now you can see it doesn't have, and it's using the content error, and it's now removed in there. So, and there you have it. Patch tools are powerful early in your Photoshop editing journey. Experiment with it and practice. We will soon master its capabilities for seamlessly and professional looking good. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.